Guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. I don't know why I'm just putting up a 2, but my other hand is busy. 7, and today I am already ready for work. I go to work at 2 and right now it's 11:03, but I have something super cool planned for this vlog today. I also want to show you guys my Pretty Little Thing package. I won't be trying it on. That will be a separate try on haul that I'll be doing in the next few days, so look out for that. But I will show you guys what I got, of course. And we are going to be making something as well today. A DIY, of course. I love me some DIYs lately. But, oh, excuse me. So let's jump right into it. And y'all, see you in the next clip. Right, guys. So I got my Pretty Little Thing order yesterday. I ordered it literally November 25th. And it came in December 6th, and today is December 7th, which I am gonna go ahead and show you guys everything. So let's go right into this. I bought only a few things because this is my first time shopping on shopping on Pretty Little Thing. So I wasn't too familiar with the sizing and how everything ran, so I bought myself a little outfit, like one outfit, to see how I like the materials and how I like the sizing. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is not clothing related, but it is a cinematic light up box, which I'm super excited for. Yay! This is super cute. I'm gonna let you know how much it was. I'll put up like a little thingy-majiggy to show you because I don't know off the top of my head. Okay. And the first thing that's out, I bought myself a burgundy paper bag skinny trousers. Girls and guys, everything was literally like 50% off. I had to take advantage of it. So look, it's burgundy and a skinny leg, which I love because I hate ordering pants that are boot cut or regular size or regular cut. It's so annoying because I'm short and my ankles, you know, they look funny. So it has this cute little tie up that you can tie around in front of the waist. I'm loving burgundy a lot lately. I usually don't wear burgundy, but I'm tired of wearing black all the time, and I feel like a little color, especially for the holiday season, would be more festive and, you know, uplifting. Okay, and then I went ahead and got a burgundy high neck short sleeve bodysuit. I love me some bodysuits, and especially if they are turtleneck and long sleeve at that. The material is so good. I love it. It feels very high quality. But look at the turtleneck, super cute. I like that you can roll it down and it feels very thick. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. Regular snap closure on the bottom, because of course it's a bodysuit. Oh wait, you know. Accessories, because I wanted to try it out as well. So I bought teardrop earrings. I usually never go for earrings this big, but I had to. It's super pretty. A gold necklace. Is a cross one though. That's all that I bought, guys. I literally wanted to try it out, but I will leave the links for them down below as well, so make sure you check out for that as well. And I will be doing a try on haul for Pretty Little Thing plus size version, so I will be doing that in the next few days, so be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified every time I upload, especially now more than ever. It is the month of December, which, you know, Vlogmas. I'll be uploading every single day, so please go ahead and join the Glam Fam turn that notification bell on, get notified every time I upload, and do not forget to leave comments and like the video. Guys, guess what time is it? Summertime. No, sorry, it's winter time here. But I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna get started on this cool little project. DIY ugly sweater. Look how cute. This cinema light up box is like A1 right now, coming in very handy. So we're gonna get started on a DIY ugly sweater just in time for the holiday parties. If you have a last minute ugly sweater party you have to go to and you didn't have time to get one, you can make one yourself at home. Alright guys, so the first thing you are going to need, of course, to make your own ugly sweater is a sweater that you are not using or do not want to use anymore. Also, you want to have a glue gun. And be safe. If you're underage, please have your parent with you. It can assist you with it. You need a pair of scissors just in case. And then the accessories that you're gonna go ahead and put on the ugly sweater. For me, I got the little like little jewels. I got feathers in lilac, in pink, and of course you need your glue for your glue gun. So I'm gonna make mine a pretty ugly sweater because I don't want her to be that ugly, but I just want her to look funky, you know? Oh, I was thinking the front, I kind of want to do like, I want to put the feathers in a way that it creates a tree in the front. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna take you guys with me through it. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but hopefully it comes out good. Start off with the lavender. I'll take out a few first. I got all of these things, 99-cent store, girls. $1.49 each. Putting it in the formation of like how I want the tree to look. Because I want it to look like a little tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing it now. Okay, so I'm gonna get my hot glue gun. And you wanna be careful with this, guys, because the hot glue guns get super hot, super quick. How long this is. So I'm gonna put it through my hot glue gun. Now I'm gonna start glue gunning. Now I'm gonna add pink feathers to it, but I wanna show you guys how it looks so far. So I'm trying to make it into a like Christmas tree. And then of course this is like the rough draft, but I promise you the end result will be perfect. Anyways, it is an ugly sweater, so it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Guys, so now I'm thinking about taking this little piece of jewelry and gluing it across the tree like an ornament, like to bedazzle it. So I'm gonna try that and show you in a few seconds. I went ahead and bedazzled the cuffs of the sweater and the neckline, and I'm gonna finish off the feathers right now and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the last final touch before you get to see the finished product. I thought this was gonna be an epic fail, but it has come a long way. I finished all the feathers, I finished all the little diamonds, and I'm gonna show you the end result now. Guys, this is the end result of the sweater. Look, it's my tree feather sweater with little diamonds. It's like a bougie, ugly sweater. Look at it. I think it's so cute still. And the bedazzled neckline and the sleeves. And then a little tree trunk. I think this is so cute if you end up going to a cute little sweater party, ugly sweater party. So cute. I'm gonna face you guys to me so you guys can see it. So look. Got the little detail of the neckline. This is a little star of the tree. Let's see. All the way to the bottom, which is the little tree trunk. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Is it a yay or is it a nay? Guys, I'm gonna get ready to close this vlog out today at 12:36. Just for the simple fact, I go to work at 2 and I'm not doing anything after that. I get out super late at 10, so there's nothing I can possibly do at that time. Today I'm closing out the video with my ugly sweater, and I hope you guys enjoyed everything about the video, and I hope you guys are so far as well liking the new intro. I work really hard in putting good content up for you guys, so I would greatly appreciate it if you guys go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys, and mwah.